Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. In today's video we have this palette we're gonna try. Although I got this palette ages ago, it's belonging from Ucanbe. I got this palette, made video about this palette. I also used this palette when I did my sister's makeup, but sadly transferred the video from my camera to my laptop. It disappeared. So for that simple reason, I'm gonna use it. You know why? We spend our pounds on it. So this palette is a dupe from Dacay. This is the palette. Born to Run Dacay eyeshadow palette. This is a dupe. This very one here is from Ucanbe. How many shades do we have here? We have in total 21 shades in total, and this is what you have here. Hope you're doing well. So the first thing I'm just gonna do is obviously prime my eyes. Let's get me hand mirror so I can see. I'll just so the first shade I am gonna go in with, which is called Ride. So I'm gonna go in with Hair Ride. Just gonna place it here like what I usually do. I'm not blending, guys. I'm just dabbing it in. Down. I'll take a different brush. This time I will go in with this shade here. Still Shot is called. We also have a mirror here, so I'm just gonna use this to blend this area, like my brow bone. This eyeshadow palette, this will be my third time I'm using it. It's a very pigmented eyeshadow, especially the matte shade. So I'll go back in now with that shade I was using before, which is called Hair Ride. Go in now with Punk. If Punk is not deep enough, I might, go back in with Jet. So for now, I'll just do Punk. Just gonna apply Punk here, my outer V. Just gonna go in now with a blue Big Sky, which is this shade here. Wow. Oh my days. This is why I like Ucanbe, guys. Their eyeshadow is always a bomb. Now that I've done that, I'll go back in with this tiny little brush. I'll take Hair Ride. Let me just make this area a bit intense. Okay, now that that's laid, I'll go back in with Punk. Bottom lash. I have this green here. I got it from Boots. It's natural collection. It's going down now. You going down, girl. You going down. It's actually Boots product. I didn't even know. So I applied that green, this brush. I'll use this other side. I'll apply this shade. This is the shade I put on my lid. I'll apply this second shade right now. The reason being, this shade I'm using right now is very close to the eyeliner I use. They are just a similar color. Okay, because I want a bit of joint situation, I'll try not to be too messy. Let me see if I can use this one. So I'm not going in now with punk. For my brow bone, I will use this shade here called Breakaway, which is this shade here, Breakaway. Let me apply this on my brow bone. See. Go and do the other eye off camera. Then when I come back, I'll do my inner corner. Then after my inner corner, then I'll give you my final thought about this eyeshadow palette. So I will see you less than 5. We just apply a tiny little bit of this shade here, and just try this one, which is Stranded. Okay, eyeshadow palette. Let me zoom you in tiny little bit. Yeah, if you can if you cannot afford Urban Decay eyeshadow palette Born to Run, you know, this one I got this from Amazon. It was $9.99. It wasn't on Prime. I had to wait, you know, I had to really wait to get this eyeshadow palette. But this is months ago. But as we speak now, it's still available on Amazon. It's on I think you can also find this eyeshadow palette from AliExpress. You can get it from Amazon, like it's on Prime right now. So if you're a Prime member and you want to get your hands on this eyeshadow palette, which is exactly the same with Urban Decay eyeshadow palette Born to Run, guys, I will highly recommend this eyeshadow palette because it's a really good eyeshadow palette. It's very high pigmented. I know whenever I'm getting eyeshadow palette from Ucanbe or Beauty Glaze or Makeup Revolution, I know exactly what I am expecting because I've been using their eyeshadow now since this start of this channel. So guys, I will recommend this palette for you. So yeah, that's, well, I hope you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have. Thank you very much. If you haven't, do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and also follow us on Instagram. It's at Makeup Time with Julia. Right, okay guys, so I will see you on my very next video, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you on my next video.